when several control stations are in use. Station 1. Create a new configuration. Click on Measurement, Add Characteristics, Connect Instruments, click on Target icon, Save configuration on a shared network. Station 2. Open saved configuration. Connect Station 2's instruments. Affect instruments manually or with the target icon. Station 1. Tools are still connected and ready to go. Station 1 and 2 have different instruments but use the same configuration on a remote network.